Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So in the episode we got this cool middle right here, and basically what this is a backpack that's used as a laundry bag. And for the one that we got right here is a brand called BeeGreen. And if you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. So once you guys open up, you can see it's actually very big. They mentioned how this bag is an extra large bag that can fit around 115 liters. So this is what the front part of the bag looks like. So in front we do have an compartment, so if you guys open up. This part right here is actually very spacious. You can put a lot of stuff if you guys want to. So maybe if you guys put like your phone, your tablet, or even for your iPad or something, you can definitely fit that inside. So for example, if I want to put my water bottle inside, it's like more than enough space for you to put your water bottle and some more stuff if you guys want to as well. But if you guys want to use this as a laundry bag, then you probably want to put like your detergent, etc. inside. But once you guys put it inside, you can close it back up. And top right here, they do give you guys the option to strap this around, so that way you can keep it secure once you guys put your laundry inside. If you guys move around to the other side, this is what the back part looks like. So they do have one handle option for you guys to carry around if you guys want to right here. And they provide you guys two straps for you guys to actually wear like a backpack if you guys want to. Right here we do have a little handle option, and you can probably use that as a strap option. So that way you can put the strap right here if you guys want to. So very easy and very simple, just like this. Slide it through. And just use this part right here to put it through to keep it all secure. Alright, so just like that. And that way your clothes and everything can be secured. And if you guys can feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. That's super durable, so if you guys want to put a lot of clothes or detergent inside, it should be fine. If you see the inside of the bag, it's actually very spacious, so you definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. But the cool thing about this bag is the fact that it does have an expandable top. So if I take the part out, you can expand the bag slightly bigger, so you can definitely put even more stuff inside if you guys want to. And then once you guys put everything inside, they do give you guys two options right here on the side to tighten up, to seal it back up if you guys want to. And then once you guys are done, you guys can open it back up. But this is what the overall bag looks like when you guys do set it up. And the cool thing about this bag is the fact that it is washable. So if you guys don't throw a machine to wash it, you definitely can. But once you guys finish washing it, you guys want to hang dry it, so that way you can prolong the life of the product as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually put it on the strap option to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys want to put this onto your shoulders. So I'm going to close this part up. And I just want to put this around my back. So once you guys put it on, this is what the product looks like. So obviously there's nothing in my bag right now, that's why it looks so flat. And if you guys are curious what the bag looks like once you guys put a lot of stuff inside, you gotta take a look at this photo right here. But the way how they designed the strap option actually feels pretty nice, and actually feels really comfortable as well. And they do give you guys options to make it tighter or looser if you guys want to, based on your own preference. So this is one way for you to hold it. Another way for you to secure it or hold it is by flipping around the arms like this. So that way you can carry the laundry in the front if you guys want to. Or another option for you guys to actually use the handle option to carry around if you guys want to as well. But definitely for the expandable option, you don't have to use that option if you guys don't have that many laundry. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this bag, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a high quality laundry bag that also works as a backpack as well. So that way you can carry stuff to do laundry really easily. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.